Police arrest 6 individuals, including NIPCO president, along with arms in connection with Nagamapal bomb blast of October 20th, which killed one CRPF Jawan and injured another. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren launches to and fro Manipur heli service for Imphal, Moraine, Imphal, Tamenglong routes. BJP Manipur Pradesh blames Congress party for delaying in various CBI investigations, says Congress meddled CBI investigations during its rule. A team of Manipur State Human Rights Commission led by Chairman Khaidim Mani inspects conditions of Manipur Central Jail in Sachiwa. And teachers' states sit in demanding to upgrade 4 government-aided colleges in full-fledged government colleges by November 15. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangtam bringing you the top stories. Imphal West Police has arrested 6 individuals, including the President of National Identity Protection Committee, NIPCO, along with arms in connection with Nagamapal bomb blast of October 20th, which killed a CRPF Jawan and injured another. Arrested individuals including UNLF cadre Milan and alleged former PLA cadre Khaidim Sana, 42 years, son of K.H. Bapu from Nongren Maning Laikai, presently residing at Nagamapal Lamabam Laikai. As per police reports, Khaidim Sana and Milan came riding a 2-wheeler and Milan threw the bomb on CRPF's truck, causing the Nagamapal bomb blast of October 20th around 6 p.m. Acting on a tip-off, a team of Commando Imphal West raided National Identity Protection Committee NIPCO office near Kaishampad Yumjao Lairimbi Community Hall in connection with the bomb explosion at around 10:30 this morning. During the raid, the team led by additional SP operations, Imphal West Krishna Tombi and SDPO Joyraj, including officer in charge of city police, and Imphal West Police Station seized many incriminating items, including computer hard disk of the office. NIPCO President Oinam Premjit, 42 years, son of late Oinam Ibomcha, and his wife Oinam Ongbi Pinky were arrested from their residence at Yumnam Laikai in Bishnupur district last night. 3 9mm pistols and many live rounds buried in a pit were recovered from them. Imphal West Police has also arrested Publicity Secretary of NIPCO, Shahauddin Chisaba, UNLF cadre Laishram Rakesh alias Thongamba alias Angangcha alias Vishwanath Yumna Kuman alias London Maitai, 34 years, son of El Ibopishak from Ngaikong Maning Laikai. On the other hand, National Identity Protection Council NIPCO, in a press release, clarified that arrest of NIPCO President O. Premjit and Secretary Shahauddin Chisaba by police for their alleged involvement in the Nagamapal bomb blast has no relation whatsoever with any undertakings of NIPCO. It informed that NIPCO convened an emergency executive council meeting today and appointed NIPCO Vice President Tej Manihar as the acting president and the Secretary General as the secretary. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has launched to and fro Manipur heli service for Imphal, Moraine, Imphal, Tamenglong routes at Imphal International Airport today. Manipur Transport Department and SARC Aviation Private Limited jointly organized the launching ceremony under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Speaking on the occasion, Biren asserted that the helicopter service was launched to provide ease of transportation to senior citizens and in times of medical emergencies for inhabitants of the remote hilly regions. The Chief Minister also declared to launch helicopter services for Ukrul, Senapati and Churchandpur routes at the earliest. He maintained that the state government and Pawan Hans collaborated to provide heli services in the state whenever necessary. Chief Minister Biren also intimated that the centre has given approval for opening an exclusive sports medicine block and Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS to treat sports persons, especially in times of injury. Biren also assured that air ambulance service will be operational within 1.5 months to facilitate health services to inhabitants residing in the remote regions of the state.
Interior part of the state. Say that akwai thungbang amine akwai impal the capital the sapang amine ngamdene anaya ayek ama lakpa kan akwai yengjan bina ba leitene na leiramba complaints do madu maru in a mid tong na bane akwai helicopter service hogdo ise air ambulance is going to be launched shortly within it may take another 1.5 months ayamba loina kai gai loire huji rims ta helipad tabham semgadaba adugumba ngai aduna ukrul da senapati da nong tabadagi yagi da na sagai da na ba puthorpugumba leidaine ko adugumba mayam do khoi help tong na bane interior part of this.
Responding to media queries in connection with the looting of 50 trucks along National Highway number 37 at Kaimai Anda Tausim Police in Tamenglong district yesterday, Chief Minister Biren stated that the state and paramilitary forces were already deployed to apprehend the miscreants. Biren also disclosed that a state committee is already with recruitment processes for National Highway Protection Force and that the recruitment notification will be out within a couple of months.
Unlawful activities can khalakpani na do the moina equidagi hana power leroy government is passenger single truck single to by the government equigi thoni aduna just I have already ordered to have a mass combing operation along with army and the state police paramilitary forces. We will not spare any this kind of illegal things. Action logani.
BJP Manipur Pradesh has blamed Congress party for delaying in Central Bureau of Investigation CBI investigations on various cases in Manipur, including cases in India, including Manipur. Speaking to media at BJP Manipur Pradesh temporary office in Kanchipur today, party spokesperson C.H. Bijoy stated that CBI investigations into issues of the centre and various state issues, right from the murder of SDO of Kasom Kulin, Dr. T.H. Kishan and his 2 staff in 2009, to the possession of illegal drugs by 11 commandos in 2013 at More are still pending. Bijoy asserted that the cases are still pending because the Congress interfered with the investigations of the CBI during its rule. The spokesperson stated that the CBI is now revived with the coming of BJP into power and assured of justice without further delay. He also clarified that CBI Director Alok Verma was not ousted from his post, but only the director's power was curtailed due to certain differences in the director had with his colleague Rakesh Asthana. Bijoy hoped that interim chief of the CBI Nageshwar Rao will take up his responsibilities efficiently.
Manipur CBI sinagre na case mayama hojibukta koi mangna samuna tan na mathomu pang na leibsida mi mayam na kari haina ke da CBI se Manipur ro de mayai chame mayai do kai gumen haina mi se sigi marum da amal leirame level khudimukta aduk fazaba investigating agency se yam nap sadaba corruption ke virus congress ki side ki thajin danu lerame lokta ki scandal LDA ke case MDS ki chauraba case former chief minister animax da ko accuse hoi ribani chief secretary kya hoi ribani simyam se namjan na bhona bada ngasi buk CBI na pai bi yadri se thiklo kanda from top to bottom congress the opposition party mi mathok tawi de haidadna CBI da lon changchalaga
a team led by Chairman of Manipur State Human Rights Commission MSHRC Khaidam Mani along with media persons inspected Manipur Central Jail in Sajua and interacted with the prisoners today. The team inspected 8 sectors of the jail and listened to the prisoners' grievances. Speaking to media, Khaidam Mani asserted that inspection at the prison gave them first-hand experience about the treatment, including foods being served and living conditions of the prisoners provided by the jail authority. He assured of apprising the relevant authorities at the slow-paced case hearings of some prisoners and also to renovate the deteriorating prison cells. Responding to media queries on the pending police case regarding the paying incident of 2010 where a mother and a child were killed, Khaidem Mani urged authorities concerned to investigate the matter and to replace the IO of the case.
Akwena maruina yengadoripsi trial tawdana chahi ahum hena leiba aduguma singdo sarkar da marilina authority da musung court da akwena recommendation pigani loribse akwege human right commission state human right commission na logadorisi chahi amagi manung da thokpa thodo ogedaba akwege provision da yam sengna yauriyaba ngasi daraga sarakadoribdo ngasi gi chahi amagi manung da thokpa ogedaba aduga 2010 gi warini hoja harido 10 gi oibanina human right commission gi shakti gi wangmata oiba.
A new office of Northeast India Development Party NEIDP was inaugurated in Imphal West District. State Party President Taukumang Kongsa assured of opening more party offices in other districts like Thaubal, Kakching, Kangpokpi, Ferozol, etc. The new party office is located near Malo Market in Nauria Pakang Lakpa constituency. Beneficiaries of Ujjwala Yojana scheme in the constituency were distributed free LPG connection, cylinders and stove at the occasion. Taking part in the event, NEIDP Manipur State Vice President O. Malesh asserted that the party strives for development of the state and that it does not involve itself in petty blame games.
Its main objective is to set self-reliance with constant, with a view to give 20 years of party visionary written in the booklet spread out in the whole Northeast Indian states.
Akwai wakalon mana tawi mana na tawi adana akwai ningdom pom dana madida akwai punabagi wakalon leite maramdi akwai na tawdo thawdang si atuki matik yam.
Four government-aided college teacher association states are sitting against the exclusion of four government-aided colleges, namely Southeast Manipur College, Komlathabi, More College, SK Women College and Wycombe Mani Girls in the recent upgrading of government-aided colleges into full-fledged government colleges. The sit-in was staged at Nambol Sabalaikai Community Hall today. A protesting teacher stated that most of the teachers of the four colleges are about to retire. The protesters swore not to partake in the upcoming December semester exams if the four colleges are not upgraded into full-fledged government colleges by November 15th. It may be mentioned that only 6 aided colleges were upgraded out of 10 colleges assured by the government to be upgraded.
Ako'y nagpangasi pamjari base, ang tadi tabiyo, may puning duda among tang di kanda biraga, binification haydan thaman bise, lower power da market or lady bage, sida ni ako'y nangaching haydari base, chendo ya am na saw na laktar di isazu, yam na simning ba mayama, ning ba tungda na kaya ama hore. Hogi baga loina nang hujiksu ako'y bar washin lagadore, sibaw sida ako'y adum lelaga leiro haibra amuk tang di tabiyu haibase na angam bale ba angam basu oiriba ming oina panjara be siri biren ang tadi tabiyu
December gi tang manga dagi haugadori ba BA first semester third semester amati fifth semester gi exam sing sisu aikoi yaugdaba haiba phirep lawjar ani.
Jananeta Irabat Ningsing Lup Kakching urged relevant authorities to repair the pathetic condition of Kakching Kaithil Bridge above Sekmai River in Kakching Market and its surroundings by November 10th. United Committee Manipur UCM President Sunil Karam intimated that Arrangements are all set for October Mass Rally 2018, called in connection with Indo-Naga Framework Agreement. Briefing media at UCM office in Lumphel today, Sunil Karam asserted that the Mass Rally aims to safeguard the territorial integrity of Manipur. He clarified that the rally is not targeted against any community. Sunil said the rally will start from Tidim ground at 10:30 a.m. sharp on October 31st. He appealed to every community of the state to take part in the rally.
Satkadariba rally asida kanagumba kanglop phurup amakaki against the satkadaba rally nate aikoi punna hingminasi koi punna chawkhatminasi aikoi amatani haiba adugumba paujel puba miyamgi khongchat amasung mifam aduna numit asida Manipur khunda minariba phurup kanglop punamak suna Manipur kananabagi adugumba phirep amakaksu lawjagani hairiba numit asida 2001 da June 19 da thokibagi miyamgi piraiba response to madudigi tadana handaksu Manipur ki miyam punamangna Manipur kanana ba khongchat asida support tawir ai rally si mapungpa na pangthona sem saba loi jare haibasima appeal tawjari October Mass rally mera khongchat asida lamdam sida leberiba miyam khopna saruk yaduna leiriba jati kanglup khaidabi rajniti ki khenaba thamdaba simpham khodimakta lebiriba punamangna rally asida saruk yabiu haibasima appeal tawjari
Ithai Modern Civilization Club, Social Young Club, Kakwa Patsoi Tuliyaima Sanctuary Club, PTCC, United Golapati Hatta Development Council, Bright Star Union Kairao, All Manipur Pangal Farmers Development Organization, Moizing Kongkok Development Committee, Lengoizil Rural Education Development Organization, All Lilong Farmers Association, Youths of Kanglei Park Thongju, Oriental Social Association, OSA, Hianglam Wabaga International Peace and Social Advancement, IPSA, the Chingmairong Social Welfare Association, the Young Socio-Cultural Union, Iramdamgi Inat, Yokhatlup, Progressive Youth Development Association, PYDA, the Kelambam Laikai Youth Club, All Andhro Magic Driver and Owners Association, Local Youth Development Association, Kwakaithil, Thangwaiban United Club, TUC, Chingmairong Social Welfare Association, Manipur Central Youth Club, Kaishampat, and Social Welfare Club, Hianglam, in separate press releases, extended solidarity to the October 31st mass rally called by UCM. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on indefinite bond in Uripo called by JC in connection with the suspicious death of Maishnam Ungbi and Tampa Ibema. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. JAC in connection with the suspicious death of Maishnam Ungbi and Tampa Ibema has called for an indefinite bond in Uripok until her body is handed over to her biological mother. Commuters are facing inconveniences due to the bond call from Uripok like Kurembi till Rims. Speaking to media, JAC convener R.K. Pushparani alleged DC concerned of sidelining their demand to hand over the body of Tampa Ibema to her mother. She urged the authority concerned to resolve the issue and give befitted punishment to accused husband and the mother-in-law without further delay.
Manem boy na di angang se asmai ngaur bani bani haibagi pose lak pose media da kari da mathang pau che da kai da tawre se khoi nungai da de maram di kai no ngawe haibagi magi yengi ba gi dagi guli sari gi praman chap chaba pibi or ga de khoi su kai de adu su amta phangdana moina du tawba do khoi nungai da de duna akhoi na ngarang de gi takna jarai se hakchang se mama na logjage khoi je si ga tawraga logjage mana lainingdraba nungai ta da laihir pham adu da khoi se Youth
and Students Welfare Club in a press release has imposed ban on carrying out gambling dice game Lagao during Ningol Chakoba and Diwali celebration. The club urged police stations and CSOs to extend help in carrying out the imposition. District Health Society Thoubal has observed Iodine Deficiency Disorders Prevention Day at the conference hall of CMO Thoubal today. Resource persons gave insights on the importance of iodine for the body. They asserted that iodine is extremely necessary for children, adolescents, and pregnant women. They warned that iodine deficiency may result in abnormal enlargement of the thyroid gland, also known as goiter, and other thyroid-related illnesses, pregnancy-related complications like miscarriages, stillbirth, preterm delivery, congenital abnormalities in newborns. DHS Thoubal also distributed iodine checking kits to ashas of the district after proper instructions. Community Network for Empowerment CONE in collaboration with Babina Diagnostics, Nirvana Foundation and Manipur Central Jail, Sajiwa organized a one-day hepatitis C screening camp for the jail inmates. CONE organized a camp to provide free treatment to any inmate found positive for hepatitis C. NCD Cell Chandral United College, Chandral jointly organized a breast cancer awareness camp today. NCD District Nodal Officer Dr. Gilbert Sumpi and District Nodal Officer of National Program for Palliative Care Dr. Manoranjan Leprakpam gave resourceful insights on detection of breast cancer and annual screening by mammography for above 35 years of age. Staffs and students of the college took part in the awareness camp. Seven-year-old Laushangbam Princeton with 12 toes is aiming to set Limca Book of Records. Princeton is the only son of Laushangbam Kiran Kumar and Laushangbam Malim Thoi from Kwakethel, Moirangpuril in Imphal West. Briefing media at Manipur Press Club today, Kiran Kumar stated that his son has no difficulty in mobility so far and even doctors rule out any disability. He hoped for Princeton to secure a spot in the amazing kids category of Limca Book of Records. Oh my God.
Aigi isanupase magi khongchaje mayam manga pamdo magi kasumta soiba yaudabida magi khongcha taru pale masi mayam ga kitang thoidopa khoigi amazing oiba Limca Book of Records chanbagi yabagi condition da leiba mayam nasu mateng mayam pangpi aduga hoi si koi honorable MLA thanga kendra gi tamoro bindor nasu mateng mayam am pangpi targumba kaigumba akhoi loi haijare tugumba da asoiba kasumta kaiba leite masi amazing amani na doctor na haijare.
MI company today attempted Guinness World Record by opening 600 stores across India all on a day. Out of the 600 stores, 6 MI stores were opened in Manipur, including MS Darik Enterprises at New Chekon Road, Purana Rajpuri. Xiaomi, MI mobile phones, MI televisions and other electronic items are available in the store. El Mani Gaura Sangeet Academy LMGS in a press release informed that winners of district level painting competition on the theme Go Green Safe Nature Amadi Mob Justice held at Pauna Memorial Arts and Rural Development Services Hall in Thoubal Wangkem yesterday were felicitated today. MLA Lamlai KSH Biren has inaugurated 2 separate non-veg and pure-veg restaurants of Hotel Yaipaba at MG Avenue today. Speaking in the inaugural event, MLA KSH Biren lauded Hotel Yaipava for serving guests as well as for creating job opportunities to youths of the state. Koizuman Lomi Lub has appealed not to bring plight to farmers of the state by calling unnecessary bans and strikes. Addressing media at Koizuman Mamang Community Hall today, a farmer complained that frequent bans and strikes in the state destroyed vegetables, bringing plight to farmers. Expressing disappointment that farmers in Koizuman face scarcity of water every year, the farmer appealed to authorities concerned to look into the matter without further delay. The farmers also ban entry of private organizations with vested interests in Koizuman. A one-day beekeeping program sponsored by Khadi and Village Industry Board was held in Kangchup, Chiru today. Speaking in the event, Vice Chairman of Khadi and Village Industry Board, Yumna Nilamani, stated that government is providing trainings on making of carry bags, pottery, handlooms, handicrafts, beekeeping, etc. for income generation. He urged everyone to avail all the opportunities provided by the government departments.
Kanagumba imung amada koi upu manga ningtina yokpa ngambiraba madudagi lakpa income masina imung manung ubada natana imung aduda leiriba mai masing tamdariba adugi post graduation fawbagi magi keno sia lambi sia koisna adum ubangam aikoigi indigenous koina lejalba tapu se ngasi mangshalabiba si scheme se galaduna gamna modern weba institute ama wenana bidamakta Kaksing district ki manung leba thongjawda pottery training cum production center ikoi adugi DPR CM Saba ikoi yam kanno honari Kaksing da handicraft training cum production center asing ba ikoi tamona honari.
The 7th Kongram Ango Memorial Bravery Incentive Award 2018 was presented in relation to the 23rd Foundation Day of International Handicap Welfare Mission, Manipur. MLA of Konthosam Assembly Constituency Dr. Sapam Ranjan graced the event held at the mission's head office in Moidangpok today. The award, comprised of 10,000 rupees, a citation and a shawl, is given to life partners of disabled persons. Altogether, 5 individuals, including men, were presented with the award this year. Amek Bishnupur Center, in a press release, notified that screening and preliminary rounds for Best of Amek 2018 for Bishnupur Center will be held on November 11th and 15th at Center's office and Taubokpi Community Hall. Interested singers can collect and submit the forms for Best of Amek 2018 from 1st of November till the 8th. Agronomy subject matter specialist of KVK Bishnupur, Dr. Sakhen Sorokhaibam, and Anando and L. Nabachandra were awarded for presenting the best research paper during the 21st Biennial National Symposium at MPAUT in Udaipur of Rajasthan. The subject specialists presented their research works on effect of liming, planting time and tillage on system productivity, profitability and resource use, efficiency of rice, Orissa Sativa-based cropping systems under rain-fed valley land conditioned of northeast India during the symposium held from 24 to 26th of October. National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, NELIT Imphal, has opened PG course MSc Information Technology for the first time under Manipur University. NELIT, in a press release, informed that students can now opt for 2 years MSc IT instead of 3 years MCA. Nehru Yuva Kendra Thoubal launched a 7-day life skill education camp for students at Kangabok Higher Secondary School in Kangabok today. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, in a press release, condoled the sudden demise of former Governor of Manipur, Dr. Shivinder Singh Sidhu. And now the sports news. In men's hockey, India and Pakistan were declared joint winners of the Asian Champions Trophy at Muscat in Oman last night. The tournament director declared both teams as winners after the summit clash was called off due to heavy rain. As the turf was completely waterlogged, discussions were held with the coaches of both sides and it was decided that the honours will be shared. Defending champions India thus ended the tournament unbeaten. Before this edition, both India and Pakistan had won the tournament twice each. Defending champions Minerva Punjab faced Churchill Brothers in the opening match of the ongoing 12th edition of Hero I-League yesterday. The match, played at Tau Devi Lal Stadium in Haryana, was drawn nil. While in another league match played yesterday, Shillong Lajong beat Aizawl FC 2-1 at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Shillong. For the winners, Naure Mahesh netted 2 goals in 20th and 51st minutes of the match. The lone goal of Aizawl FC was netted by Ansumana Krama in the 70th minute of the match. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Police arrest 6 individuals, including NIPCO president, along with arms in connection with Nagamapal bomb blast of October 20, which killed 1 CRPF Jawan and injured another. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren launches to and from Manipur heli service for Imphal More and Imphal Tamenglong routes. BJP Manipur Pradesh blames Congress party for delay in various CBI investigations, says Congress meddled CBI investigations during its rule. A team of Manipur State Human Rights Commission led by Chairman Khaidem Mani inspects conditions of Manipur Central Jail in Sajiwa. And teachers states in demanding to upgrade 4 government-aided colleges into full-fledged government colleges by November 15.